Hey, hey, my crafty friends. Welcome to Ivy and Juke Creations. If you're new here, my name is Kim, and welcome. All right, y'all, this is going to be a fall project, and y'all stay to the end because I got some exciting news I want to share with y'all. Something that I just discovered, anyhow. All right, we're going to take this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and then this is the Roycycled's new release, the fall release decoupage paper. And here I'm just trying to find what image I like best to go on my pumpkin sign, my pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. Then we're going to make a crease with our finger, rubbing it on there, and then we're going to cut it out with our scissors. Next, we're going to take our heat gun, and we're going to disassemble the pumpkin, get the hot glue and the bow and all that stuff off. Then we're going to give it 2 good coats of DIY chalk paint in the color crinoline, front, back, sides, top, and all that. Then we're going to take DIY Vintage Textures Stamp, and we're going to stamp all over our pumpkin. And yes, I stamped under the decoupage paper. And watch, it'll come through, y'all. And then for the first time, I tried polyacrylic, y'all, to decoupage with. And it worked. I liked it. So I just laid a thin coat of polyacrylic down, laid my paper down in it just like you would any kind of Mod Podge medium. And then here I'm just rubbing more polyacrylic on the top and then down in them little slats. Then when it's dried, I took a craft knife and I cut down the excess off, and then sanded downward on the top and the bottom of the pumpkin to get the excess off. And here I'm just like distressing it and sanding it in random places. And this also is where you could wet distress as well. And then y'all know, here I am with embellishments. I'm trying the burlap leaf from the Dollar Tree, a leather leaf from the Dollar Tree, the molds from Iron Orchid Design, and sunflowers from the Dollar Tree. And I'm like, okay, laid it to the side. Let me think on it for a minute. Then I took DIY's clear wax, and I'm going to go over the sign because I know that I'm going to want to distress it. And if you use your clear wax first, then your dark wax will be able to wipe back a lot easier. And then your chalk paint or your clay-based paint don't absorb all the pigment that's in your dark waxes. So we went over it with the clear wax. We buffed it out. And now I'm taking Waverly's Antique Wax, and I'm just distressing it. This is where y'all can skip this part if you don't like distressing. And honestly, y'all, in my opinion, I think instead of distressing, this kind of looks more like just trying to get it dingy looking, if you know what I mean. Like it's been around for a long time. So, whatever you want to call it, distressing, making it dingy, whatever. That's what I'm doing here. Hope everyone's had a blessed week. I have. I have been battling some sinuses and allergies. One day I'm feeling really good. Then the next day I sound like I've got laryngitis, coughing that stuff up, and feel so bad. And then the next day I feel like it's gone and I feel good. And the next day it'll come right back. So I've been battling that for about 2 weeks. So I hope none of y'all ain't having to deal with it. But here I took a wet wipe and I'm wiping back the antique wax to my desired liking. And as you can tell, I've done the back as well. Been busy as well, going to revival and visiting another church, and just been having a good time in the Lord these past 2 weeks. Okay, y'all, here I'm taking the Waverly Antique Wax, and I'm going down in the slats, like them little cracks or whatever, and then on the side of those, the pieces of that I'm painting right there, what you call that, a band, a stick, I can't think of the right name, y'all. But I wanted them to be a little bit darker. And then I'm taking the little brush and going down in the little slats to accentuate. Did I say the word right, y'all? I know it's not insinuate. Accentuate? Oh, well, y'all know what I'm talking about. Try to make them pop anyhow. And we're just going to keep distressing and dinging it up and wiping it back until we get what we like. Until your eyes is happy. How many of y'all are excited and sitting on pins and needles waiting for the IOD new release coming out this month? I am. And y'all right here, you've got to go to DecoupageCentral.com. They sell these images that you're seeing right now is going to be their new release in the morning, August the 18th at 10 a.m. And this is your decoupage rice paper. Look at these church scenes, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful. They found me. I did not find them, but I would like to know where this company has been my entire crafting life, because y'all, the detail, the art, man, y'all, this is beautiful, beautiful. And then I went to their website, and look at these images, y'all. Look. And we're talking about $3.25, $3.50. Look at the rooster and all these Christmas art. You know what I'm saying? The bunny, the sheep, Santa Claus, Highland cows, owls for fall. And Decoupage Central, y'all, also sells all these rice papers. And like I said, they've got a new release August the 18th, 14 more new designs. They have some limited designs. They also sell Iron Orchid design products. They sell Roycycled decoupage papers and her products. And they sell print art. And y'all, I think look at this, y'all. Look, that is from DecoupageCentral.com. I will have her link in the description box and in a pinned comment. Y'all, please go check this company out, y'all. It's amazing and very affordable. And the possibilities are endless. But go and check out this new rice paper that's coming out at 10 a.m. August the 18th. Y'all don't forget that any day now we're going to be getting a notice that IOD's release is live. And you can go to DecoupageCentral.com also and order all of your IOD supplies. Now, if you're new here, I struggle with embellishments, the final little pretty details. So, give y'all just a little glimpse of the process. And then I turn the camera off and I finish it and then I take pictures of it. And so I'm going to tell y'all what I've done. The stem to this little pumpkin sign just looked like it was too little for the sign itself. So I got a piece of driftwood out of a bag of beach stuff from the Dollar Tree and done it with Waverly Antique Wax and glued it on top of the little skinny one. Then this floral pick is from Walmart for 97 cents. And then I done some raffia. I took my wax brush and went over these berries to dull them down. See the crackle, the vintage texture stamps, the distressing, and this paper. If I didn't say it in the beginning, y'all, this is Roycycled. Look at the detail in that owl. But y'all don't forget to go check out the description box, the pinned comment. Thank you all to my OGs. I love y'all from the depths of my heart. I thank you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.